I've got my last smartphone video workshop. It's on the 10th of December. It's online, so you don't have to go anywhere. Just log on. It's on a Zoom call, and I'll teach you how to shoot, edit, upload, and share, all using your smartphone. So you can create content for your own purpose and your own marketing. You can even use it for your Christmas opening presents and family gatherings, and then you can upload it to all your social media sites. Also for business, you can do it before and after, some testimonials, a virtual walkthrough. So all of these great content that you can capture all on your smartphone. So it's on the 10th of December between 11 and 1 p.m. DM me if you need some more information or want to come along. And if I don't see you, have a great Christmas. See ya.